Hello guys, well done. This is Dr. Sam K. If this is your first time or coming to the workout tutorial, please quickly click on the subscription and then turn on the notification bell, and let's keep on updating with what cool stuffs like this that can help you to run your business online safely. Now, very short one, a quick one. If you have problem maybe trying to use your phone number, your own real phone number, whatever country you find yourself, to sign up in any platform that you feel that you're not really sure of, right? You can actually use this platform I want to give to you right now, where you can get free US phone number to sign up in any platform, all right, temporarily, and then do it with it anytime you feel like doing it, because you have to be secure. Of course, you have to be wise up, right? So follow me, let me show you and show you what you need to do, all right? Follow me. Okay guys, so the website name is quackaro.io. Okay, quickly, what you're going to do is just select the country of your choice. Let's say we want to use USA, all right? So just come down here, click on United States of America. Let's just come up here, click what, generate phone number, all right? And then you are good to go. This is it, all right? Just copy the phone number and then paste it wherever you want to paste it, and then they're going to send you the OTP, okay? And whatever the OTP they're going to send you, you're going to come back to this website and pick it up, and you are good to go, right? Guys, enjoy yourself and be safe online. Go.